Hey everyone, it is October 29th, 2020, and this is an introduction to a new series I'm going to do called My Personal Point of View. There's a little jack-o'-lantern for you up there. Now, a lot of you actually suggested this, and for those of you who I haven't totally peed off online, you're more than welcome to leave your own opinions in the comments below as well. This is just the introduction video to the series, and I think it's going to be, I'm going to do it in one live take like I'm doing right now, and they'll be shorter, just topics that are my opinion of things, things I notice. And actually I've noticed Twitter is a gold mine for this kind of stuff. Like somebody will say something just like, that doesn't make any sense on anyone's level of thought. And Twitter being Twitter, I understand, because I am guilty of it too, that, condensing, leaving things out, not being clear, but that's the nature of that beast. But anyway, this is going to deal with my personal view on stuff. And it's not going to be stuff like politics or religion, at least not broadly defined, shouldn't be any at all. You can go anywhere for that stuff. You don't need to know my take on that stuff. As a matter of fact, I can tell you what the very first episode is going to be, and I may or may not get to it before I get married in 9 days, and that's going to be on language and the problems I have with it. Because I am, like everyone else, I am not perfect. I'm not talking about making errors or mistakes, stuff like that. I mean, just I have flaws. Some are my fault, some are not my fault, but I have them. And this is kind of going to be a way to vent them, and maybe so you can get to know my thought process better, if you even care. Anyway, this is coming up on 2 minutes. I think that's a good enough introduction. So yeah, feel free to comment or throw some ideas out there or something like that. Just remember, this is not going to be for professional stuff. I'm not going to be talking about geology at all unless it's really focused or something. This is not going to be a science series, a geology series. It's not going to be a math series. It's not going to be my personal life experiences, which is what my channel mostly is right now. So keep that in mind. Anyway, okay, that's it, and have a good day.